Welcome back. Vasco cars are having a tough time with the overloaded heavy vehicles moving in the port town. Locals claim that these vehicles pose a threat to the commuters and pedestrians. They also complain that the height of these loaded trucks is more than the prescribed height by the RTO. Residents of Vasco have blamed the transport department for not acting against the illegalities.
These are the heavy vehicles moving in and out of the Vasco city. Some carry goods, whereas some transport wooden chips. Have a look at the height of the truck. It's more than the prescribed limit. These vehicles pose threat to the commuters in the city.
त्यांची जी हाईट जी आसा वयर ती ट्रकाची इतकी वाडून वता की लोकांच्या वायरी इलेक्ट्रिकचे वायरी तुटूंक पावता अशी आनी रस्त्यार त्यांचे काही चिप्स पडलेले आसता तेन्ना हेवूय एक पॉल्युशनूच जाल्लें आसा तेन्ना ह्या RTO डिपार्टमेंट आनी ट्राफीक सेलान कितें तरी तेजें प्रिकॉशन घेवंक जाय हे अननेसेसरी लोकांक आनी ह्या रोडाचेर अशें एक्सिडेंट पासून जाल्ले आसा.
Councillor of Murgaon Municipality Tara Kerkar says Transport Department is turning a blind eye to these illegalities even after number of complaints.
ट्रक आसा ते लाकडाचे बारीक बारीक कुडके घेवन इतले 5-5 मीटर वयर गाडी भरून ते व्हरता. खांबे आसा ते इतले सकयल आसा की ते लायटीच्या खांब्यांक जर लागले जाल्यार ते कुडक्याच्या हितूनसून लाकडाच्या उजो लागूंक शकता आनी कितली तरी हानी जातली. तो ट्रक जळटलो ते वायर सगळे जळटले कितले तरी लोकांक नुकसान जातले. पुलिसाक विचारले जाल्यार पुलीस सांगता आमी तालाव घालता. RTO अजून तेजेर कांय ना फक्त तालाव घातले म्हणून जायना.
We spoke with the Transport Director Abhay Naik. He claims whenever RTO receives any complaint, they act upon.
तेव्हा इंस्पेक्टर धाडून पळयता. Actually 4 meter height आसता 3.80 nearly about 4 meter. ताज्यावन चड जाल जाल्यार I'll issue memo.
Our reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
While the political shigmo for Lok Sabha polls gains momentum, traditional Shigmo festival in the state has pulled down the curtains. Shigmo festival culminated in the state on Sunday on the eve of Gudi Padwa, that's the Hindu New Year. Gulal at Dhargar and Shigmo at Kunkare marked the culmination of the festival. Famous Veerbhadra at Forne and Bicholi kept the Goans enthralled. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.